took this bolt out of this right here. It's just one bolt that you have to take out. It's really easy. You have to move these wires out the way a little bit. That's probably the hardest part. You guys gotta give it a little force. And then getting the bolt out, you have to give it like a little wiggle. You gotta get these out. But getting that out was literally nothing. So, as y'all can see, that's the old one. The new adjustable brake lever, the FTTR. Go ahead and throw this on there for y'all. See how this goes. Hopefully I can record and have y'all watching at the same. Now that was a little too easy. Something's not right there. That was a little too simple there. I'm gonna put this down and be right back with y'all. Yeah, she just went right in there. Right in there. Just slipped in and put the bolt in. Just pulled these two like away from each other. Got the bolt out. Or actually, no. That's what the dude did in the video that I seen. But me, I just pulled this up. I was able to get the bolt out and screw it back in easily. But yeah, this literally just slipped right in there. And you can just take it right out. But you see it's perfectly fine. Look, it's in there. I've been riding for 3 days after I took that video. So it's good clutch. Good. Sit in the CBR, definitely if you're on the 2000, because we can't get a grip of this without it spinning. So I completely just stopped messing with the clutch. I wasn't even gonna take it off just in case I was able to get the bike started. Took out the old solenoid because this joint was siliconed or hot glued completely down. You can see it's burnt through the middle. Had to take a good amount of pieces out of there that was also burnt. Put a new solenoid in. I'm not sure if these plugs are in correctly or not, but other than that, that baby's in there. And the bike is still not starting up for us. Got the new brake lever on there. She wobbly though. She works. Should be tight. Okay. It's a good pull. I like it. The adjusting's cool and whatnot. Gotta get some new grips on here soon. I'll cop them next week. Some bar ends. But I'm about to just fix this right here. This little wobble. Get an Allen key to it. Got the mirrors on them. The OEMs. Carbon fiber. Feel me? For when I black out the bike. And other than that, it's been a bust for today. Got the solenoid in. Took the old one out. Front brake lever on. Clutch not off yet because of this, so I'm thinking I'm just gonna take off this entire console right here, entire clutch console, and then I don't know. I'm not too sure because I still have to get that clutch cable out of there for me to switch this. So I don't know. We still gotta figure out what it is exactly. That's not turning the bike on first. It's not giving me any power. Any power. So, it is what it is. I'm gonna figure it out. Got the bike started, man. My boy's dad came through. Ron got the bike started up. Didn't even need a solenoid, none of that. Just needed the battery to be jumped. And he's finna bring the trickle charger tomorrow so that we could charge up the battery and the bike will be good. But The solenoid that was in there was completely burnt. So it's a good thing I put that on there. It's a good thing I got the mirrors. She's ready to hop on the street now. Ready to get hella content now, man. We got the bike running. She's good. She got power. She is nasty, as y'all could hear. Man, I'm so excited right now. I got the hugest smile on my face. So y'all don't. She's running. We about to be back to it soon. Get back with y'all. It's ClutchLifeClay, man. So like, subscribe, start fucking with the channel, man. Start getting on here, start running it up. We got a lot more to come. I'll hit y'all boys. I'm see y'all. Love y'all family. Love y'all.